In this video I'm going to show you guys how to stop pop-up ads on Google Chrome. If you have those pop-up ads right here on the bottom right corner and you want to get rid of them, then make sure you watch this video till the end and then you'll be able to get rid of them. So yeah, let's get started. First of all, open your Google, then go to the three dots at the top right corner, go to settings, search for site settings. Right here, click on it, then click on notifications and then scroll all the way down. As you can see, there are a few notifications right here that look a bit sketchy. So what you want to do, click on the three dots and you can either block them or remove them. I'm just gonna remove them. Click remove, 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 and remove. And yeah, that's basically it. Now you don't get those pop-up ads anymore. So yeah, if this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'd appreciate that. Bye. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing so I can grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I'd appreciate it.